In today's video, I'll show you how to add Afterpay to your Big Cartel store in just a few minutes. This is one of the best ways to give your customers flexible payment options and boost your conversions. So let's get started. Begin by opening your browser and searching for Big Cartel. Once you're on the website, log into your store dashboard or create a new account if you're just getting started. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard where you manage everything related to your store. At the top of the screen, click on your initials. This opens your store settings. From here, scroll down until you see the section called Get Paid. This is where all your payment settings are located. Click the pencil icon next to Get Paid to open your payment options. Inside this section, you'll notice that Big Cartel supports PayPal and Stripe. Since Afterpay works through Stripe, go ahead and select Stripe. Once you click it, Stripe will guide you through a short setup process. Follow the prompts to connect your Stripe account and enable Afterpay inside your payment settings. In most cases, you simply confirm your details, accept the terms, and make sure your Stripe account is approved to offer Afterpay. Once everything is confirmed, Afterpay will automatically become available as a payment option in your Big Cartel store. This allows your customers to split their purchase into smaller payments, which can significantly increase your sales and reduce abandoned carts. And that's all you need to do. Your Big Cartel store now supports Afterpay, giving your customers more flexibility at checkout.